Hey Ellie, my name is Erin and I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. You had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook, so as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that's certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, is if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and jump in. The three things that I will cover are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content. And I have your Facebook page up here. The first place that people are typically going to go when they're looking for services is going to be Google. Facebook is certainly a very, very powerful tool, and people do look for services often within Facebook. But I would certainly suggest getting a website so you can rank on Google. I did just pull up one of your competitor sites here just so I can give you an idea of what I'm talking about when it comes to content. So content can be considered anything that you see here. The words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as on the website. Would be considered content to Google. Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage of a website. And that allows you an opportunity to be able to add in those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So my first tip would definitely be to get a website if you don't already have one. And again, those 1,500 words on that homepage are very important, and then integrating those keywords into that content. So next up is citations, and I just pulled up a quick Google search for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. So what a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories and grab those listings for your business. But you also don't want to just stop there. So for instance, say that your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You would want to get those 10, but then you would want to add on to that. So you would want to double or even triple those. So you would want to get 20, 40 listings. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high here in the maps too. So we will go ahead and move right along to the next thing, which is backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. So the way backlinks work is there's a website out there that has a link to your website if you decide to get one. And it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So for instance, say that you did some cleaning for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their website and push one back to yours. But as I'm sure you guessed, their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's really not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies or anything else that's relevant to your industry. And that will push a link back to your site and signal to Google that yes, you are a cleaning service, and also that you're trustworthy. So that will be a lot more unique, but it will also be a lot more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to the industry that you're in. So I pulled up a tool that I use here, and I wasn't able to put your business into it since you don't have a website, but I did put that website that we did look at for one of your competitors here, just to give you a visual representation of what I'm speaking about. So it's showing that they have 1.44 thousand referring domains, which is giving them 69.1 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 18.1 thousand keywords, and that is driving 17.6 thousand people to their website on a monthly basis, which is a lot. So let me take a look and I'll see if we can view some of the keywords that they're using. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is any phrase or term that someone would think to type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. And we'll also pay attention to this column here, this volume section. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched monthly. So let's see what they have here. So home cleaning services near me. This is a really good one. House cleaning, Midlothian, I hope I said that correctly, Virginia. So that is listing the industry that they're in and then the location that they're trying to target. It looks like they're targeting several different locations throughout the US. So this just gives you kind of an idea. I'm not going to bore you and go through all of these, but this at least kind of shows you the kinds of things that you would want to work into your content. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. That's going to help you to rank on that first page of Google, but it will also make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you. But that's really all that I have for you today, Ellie. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business online, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time, and you have a fantastic weekend.